This here is my brother's brand new to him BMW 2 Series, and as you can see, it's not looking too good. After 4 days, this is what he's done. Look at him, he's there to watch me rebuild this. Well, we're going to strip this back and see what he's actually broke. Callum's absolute scrap. Right, come here. So this here is my little brother. Now, how old are you, Callum?
19.
19. Is this your second car?
Yep.
And 4 days after owning it, what's happened?
Crashed it.
Yeah, oh, it's really bad to be honest. But I'm just going to strip this back. We want to see how far back the damage has gone and if he's bent anything structural. That's straight, because if it wasn't, if that moved back, it would have snapped. It would have snapped that. It's got coolant in it, so I don't know if the radiator might be all right. It has lost. No, it's lost coolant actually. I think the radiator's leaking, so you're going to need a radiator probably. The main impact is down here. He's bent whatever that is. That'll be at the intercooler. There's the intercooler shrouds. Ripped off fog lights. There's a cap. Keep that, good that. Put down the boot. Yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna strip this down to see how far back the damage goes. And now to me it doesn't look structural. Nothing's bent here. The bar's still on and it's in place. So it's not structural. This is category N, I'd say. It's not gone through the insurance. Callum's loving brother is gonna fix it. Yeah, that's meant to be attached to the car. That's his intercooler. Sits down here somewhere in between there. And when he's crashed, it's completely come off. So coming inside the car, since Callum's crashed it, there is an engine management light on. Gonna be because of the intercooler. The map sensor, I believe, could have broke, I'm guessing. So we're going to use today's video sponsor, Carly. So we're going to use the Carly app with the scanner. We're going to check what that engine light is. Let's plug this into here. Which way does it go? There we go. So you'll get 2 lights come on. That means it's on. So we're just scanning now on the Carly app. It's connecting to my brother's BMW 2 Series. These work with BMW, VW, Audi, Porsche, all VAG brands. You can also do some coding and stuff like that, which I will show you on Abby's car over there, because there is something that's on and I want to see if I can code it out with the Carly app. Just wait now, wait for this to connect, and then we'll do a code scan and see what it comes back with. Right, diagnostics. Check for issues. Callum's big issue. Let's see what he's got. Look at his face. 17 issues so far, it's only 15% of the way through. 36 issues, 48 issues. To show my brother some support and to support me, because I'm his big brother and I'm going to try my best to fix this car, please drop a subscribe if you haven't already. 53 issues. Wow. 53 issues and we're 53% of the way through. You got an issue for every percent. Oh, by the way, if we look to the back, well, that's just doing its little thing. There's a piece of Callum's headlight. It's not salvageable, is it, Cal? We can't save that. We're going to glue his bumper back together. No, all seriousness though, you're lucky you didn't hurt yourself. It's been quite a nasty crash. 89 issues found. Show results. The only thing that hasn't got an issue is the central control unit. Everything else has got issues. Engine, 19 issues. Electric fan, air mass, leak detected. Gear sensor, signal, open, information, driving speed, fuel injection rate, engine speed, impulsive with each other. Dual mass flywheel, protective function. Clutch, transferable torque, too low, damaged, stage 2. Clutch and transferable torque, too low, slightly damaged, stage 1. Clutch transferable torque, too low, badly damaged, stage 3. What the hell is all this? Right, we'll just we'll clear everything. Let's just clear everything. Let's see if it fixes itself. See what comes back. I don't know what half of that stuff is. So we've done our check here and we have cleared the codes. I'm not going to repeat a check just now. We're just going to go over to Abby's car and we'll show you the coding functionality of this app. Then we're going to start stripping this car down. We're going to do the scan of Abby's car. I'll just show you what light's coming on. It's for the screen washers. There it is. So there is a screen wash light and it never goes away. So we're going to test this app now and see if there's like a coding thing where we can code out with Carly. At least then we've tested coding and diagnostics. You can do a used car check, so you can detect tampering of mileage and all stuff like that. There is other features, but we're going to go customization, coding. We're going to go into coding, check coding possibilities. Hopefully there's something I could turn that off with. Callum, you excited to get your fingers dirty on that car? You're getting on the tools with me. Do you know the best thing? I don't have to pay for it. You do though. Oh, bless you. 6 ECUs found. Air conditioning, instrument cluster. What's it going to be? Where would it be, do you think? Let's read that out. I'm not sure where this would be, but we're going to have a look. Washer fluid warning. It's got it, look. Washing fluid warning on, off. So this says caution. Obviously, you read that to be safe, but I don't care. I'm not going to read that. I just want to see if this comes off. Right, so we're writing the code now. Let's see if that light goes off. Yeah, it's gone. Move that out of the way for you. Go on, look. So, you happy, Abby? How long's that been on for? A long time.
About a year.
Sweet, right. So that is Carly. Where's the device? Down there somewhere. Obviously, they've just helped with the coding on Abby's car, so we've got no more light. We've done some diagnostics on your car, and there's a lot of problems, and we have cleared it. So we'll come back to the Carly when we come to do some more diagnostics on Colin McRae's car there. But yeah, thank you for sponsoring the video. All links will be in the description for you to get a discount. So we're going to start by taking the remainder of this top piece bumper off. He still has the badge, actually. I don't know how that survived. It's come off, it like ejected. So what's happened here? Right, he's hit the bottom of the bumper on the curb. It's completely torn it off. That's why this piece is still on. And that's why all this is bent. And then he's gone into a branch, a big branch. That's why all that's bent up. But that looks like it's gone straight into the radiator and that. Yeah, the intercooler was there. So we're just going to take bits off. I don't know what, I've never done a crash car, so I don't know what I'm doing. But I've decided, because Carly is kindly sponsoring the video, and of course, they do pay you for doing the sponsor, the money I get off Carly, I'm going to give to Callum, so he can buy parts for this, because he hasn't got a lot, he's not loaded, so I'll try and help him as much as I can. How about that, Callum? Do you like that? That doesn't even fit in there. Fuck's sake. What's the plan? What are we doing to the front?
Empty bumper, probably rotiform alloys, and then wings, and eventually get it wrapped.
How'd you get that off?
It's rigid.
Nothing's holding it. I don't even know how you get that off. That's a good start, isn't it? Oh wow, the aircon radiator is demolished. Your car not like me, Callum. Nothing seems to want to come off. That's on there. Ah. There we go. Put that on your boot. Is that broke anywhere?
Yeah.
That's good. Put that on your boot. Alright, so that's out of the way. There was a plug on the end of that. Oh wow. Done a good job of this, my son. Oh wow. Some more headlight. I don't even have to do much, it's all just coming off for me. Right, why can't I still get this off? How the fuck do I get this off? Right, just taking the fan out. I haven't had to undo any bolts. It's already snapped off by here. See there? Completely snapped off. So I'm just going to pull the fan out the way so we've got more room inside here. It should come out. Most the easiest fan I've ever took out. Unless it's still connected somewhere. No, it's not. There's his fan. So that's snapped off there. That's the only thing that's broke on that. But it's broke, so you need a new one. You might as well just buy a whole rad pack. Right, that's that. Right, I need to go underneath and undo these bolts. Loads of little bolts underneath. Right, that survived. That can go in your boot. That can go in the back of your car. It's scratched, but it's survived. I'm just trying to figure out what if.
This is your biggest job yet.
Huh?
This is your biggest job yet.
Nah, this isn't as big as the Golf. This is just confusing because I don't know what's missing. Obviously, there's a lot of bent stuff here. We need to get this thing off. I don't know how that comes off. Right, they're loose enough to be whizzed. The two on this side. Huh? Yeah, I'm just trying to get stuff out the way and then I can see where the bloody bolts are because I can't see any bolts at the minute. I'm not sure if we can use that again.
There's a tree in it.
Huh?
So come pouring out of it.
Did she snap off the edge?
No, it's like that in videos.
It's meant to be like that. That's alright then, we could probably reuse that. That's took a little bit of a... Jesus!
Tree in it.
That's took a bit of a knock, but seems alright. So put that on your boot, we can reuse that. That should come off.
Look how bent that is.
Jesus Christ.
Thank you, round.
I don't even know what that's called. We've got to keep all this though, because it's got numbers on it to reference. So that's Callum's good stuff. So far we got two good things, and then we're getting the radiators broke. Snap the clips off of it. Another broken piece. Yay! Right, that's survived. That's all right. Would that go again? Wow. Yep. As soon as he crashed it, I was like, right, YouTube. Right, that has survived. This is a right weird car. Comes apart well weird. That's snapped off, that is.
Oh, the top of it.
Snapped off. I'm strong. Oh, coolant. Can't get these aircon pipes out. We will teach you, Callum, how it's done. Okay, we got him working on his car, on his own car. Right, radiator out. How much damage has he done to this? That's where it's leaking from. I don't see anything leaking out of it though. Stuff snapped off here. We're going to replace it. Right, I can't get this aircon pipe, these aircon pipes off. This would save me life. We're still connected down here somewhere. What the fuck? Everything's so twisted, I can't see what's connected to what. There's one. Can't get the pipes off, so I'm chopping these off the old Higgins way. Okay, this one's harder. Can I like bend it? Will it just bend off? Yeah. Do it the Higgins way. Aircon off. Broken done. Yeah, not good. Ripped out of its hinge there. Broken. At the minute, it needs a full rad pack. Right, we've got a boost pipe there. That's good. We'll tuck that away for now. That one's still connected here. But I could actually get inside here now. This frame, Callum, I could probably bend this back. This ain't a structural piece, this. Actually, no, that's fucked that. We're going to have to buy a new one of them.
On the other side as well.
I'm not going to be able to bend that back because it's all crushed here. What else needs to get this off? So we need this little bit of box section. It's crushed, bent. Like if it was just that, I probably could have bent that back, but that's crushed. So we're gonna have to find a new one of them. He's ripped the complete thread out of there, so we're gonna have to figure that out. The thread is completely ripped out.
Yeah, roll off, eh?
Yeah, the back, it's stuck like the back ones were. I haven't got a hammer hard enough for that, I don't think. You have to hit the back of the wheel on the inside here. Get to work, bitch. Right, what's that? This is the mounting bracket for the for the front rad pack. It's a Valio piece. You could probably buy all this in one. He's going to need all this. He's bent all of that.
Hey, there's a chunk out this side as well.
Huh?
There's a chunk out that side as well.
Oh my god, yeah. There, look, Abs, come through here. Oh, down here. There. See it? There's what's left of Callum's front bumper. Just taking it off.
Thank you.
Fucking hell. Right, I think that's everything broke. So we got, I'm going to leave all these sensors on, but that's the ambient air temp sensor. That's broke, but we'll leave that there so we don't lose it. We need to get this piece off of the two pipes there without breaking the pipes. And then we got, for the headlight, there's quite a bit of wiring we need to do. So there's a plug missing off the end of that. So luckily that one's not broke, so we can look at that one to see what's wrong with that one. The plug's intact on that, so we're all right there. This plug's took a right beating, so we're gonna have to, I don't know how the hell I'm gonna do that plug. Maybe we just see if it works. It might still clamp on. If that clamps on, then we should be all right. And then he's ripped off wire into that, whatever that is. So we've got a bit of wiring to sort there, but that's it. Everything else that's broke is off the front. We just need to get this wing off. Oh, that's there as well. We need to get that off. Let's get this off. What's left of this light? One surviving indicator. Working on his car. Good lad. We will make a bodge job mechanic out of you. Callum's got a lot of pieces to buy. Nah, it's not that bad actually. I'm going to take that frame off though. I'm going to unbolt that and see if that comes off. Because then we can buy it, we don't have to rivet it. I'm just going to try and get this leg off here. See if this comes off. It looks like it comes off separately. There's 3 bolts. There's 1, 2. 1 in there as well. Oh, fuck, how's it going to do? This one. Oh my. Oh, fucking hell, tight. There's that one. There's one in here as well. Oh, come on, a little bit. Oh. Where am I going to Oh. That's tight, that. Jesus. Sweating my titties off. Right, so I'm currently, as you can see, it's starting to get dark. Callum's still faffing around trying to get that wing. I've stripped the whole front end before he's even got that wing off. Yeah, so we'll try and film. If we can't, we'll cut to when these bits are off. I'm struggling to get this leg off. All right, so we got this off. This piece comes off. So we can either try and get that there repaired, or we'll just buy this new piece.
Bent.
No, it's meant to be like that. That's how that's meant to be.
Is it?
Yeah, if you look at the other one, it's probably the same. Yeah, same. Yeah, so we'll just get a new one of these. What?
Horn.
Yeah. Honk honk. Get that fucking wing off. Shoo! There you go. Right, so it is pretty dark now. I'm not sure if you can see me, but everything that's broke is off. Apart from obviously the aircon pipes, which I need to get off, the end of it, and the broken wires. Everything else is off. Wings off. That's everything we can see visually that is broke. We got a couple of bent little brackets, but these little things here. But I'll stretch them back. They're all right. They're nothing structural. So damage-wise is probably a category N, non-structural. Nothing is bent as in these, which is good. Now we need to clean up, and then we'll be done. Right, so we're going to clean up here now. We've got loads to clean up. Get the cover back over the car. Callum's going to do some crying about how much he's got to spend on parts. I'll help him out. I will help him. Like I said, when it comes to the sponsor money, I will give it to Callum to go towards parts.
We're leaving the bonnet on.
Bonnet's staying on, yeah. We'll leave the bonnet on because obviously we want to just cover the engine while it's under the cover. But yeah, that'll be it for now. That's the end of that video. Done what we wanted to do. Everything that's broken's off. Obviously the wheels we're leaving on because if the car falls off the axle stands, at least it's on the wheels. So that'll be it. Everyone, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and laugh at Callum. Comment, haha, unlucky Callum. No, don't, that's harsh. See you in the next one.